So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. We're going to be having two downloads right here, x86 and x64. You want to download both of them. So you just want to click on both of them. Now once they've both been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on Show in Folder. They're now both going to appear right here. And then once you have both of these, we're just going to install them. So I'm just going to go over the first one that I have here, which is x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then click on I agree. And then click on Install. And then click on Yes, which is now going to install it. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, it's going to be saying setup successful. We can now close out of this. And now to install the next one, we're going to double click on it. And now you're going to tick this, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing. It's now going to be saying setup successful. We're now going to close out of this. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.